The new blue dress. Can a single act of kindness change an entire neighborhood? Let me tell you a heart-touching story about a blue dress and a miracle that no one expected. When spring came to Cleveland, it brought flowers and color to most streets, but not to Gates Avenue. While others painted homes and planted gardens, Gates Avenue remained ugly, dusty, and broken. It had no pavement, no street light, no water, just noise from a nearby railroad. At a nearby school, little girls wore new dresses for spring, but not the girl from Gates Avenue. She wore the same worn-out dress from winter, probably the only one she had. The teacher noticed her sweet nature, her hard work, and her beauty hidden under the dirt. One day she gently said, "Won't you wash your face before you come to school tomorrow? Just for me." The next day, her face was clean and her hair combed, but the same old dress remained. So the teacher did something amazing. She bought a bright blue dress and gave it to the girl. Her mother was speechless. Her father was shocked to see how beautiful his daughter was. That night, at dinner, for the first time, they used a tablecloth. "I feel ashamed to be dirty when our daughter is so clean," said the mother. Then she began washing the kitchen. The father quietly stepped outside and repaired the fence. The next evening, the family planted a garden. Their neighbor watched, and by week's end, painted his house for the first time in 10 years. A young minister noticed the changes and realized these people were trying. He reached out to city officials for help. Within months, Gates Avenue had pavement, streetlights, and running water. All because of a little girl in a blue dress. People across America heard the story. Since 1913, over 7,000 towns began cleanup campaigns to build better lives. Who knows what might happen when a teacher gives a little girl a new blue dress? If this story touched your heart, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Be a part of our journey of stories that inspire change. Thank you for watching. Remember, every small act of kindness can create a ripple of change.